In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase font size in Notion. If you've ever felt like the default text in Notion is just a bit too small or you want certain lines to stand out more, using headings is the simplest and most effective way to do it. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to make specific lines larger so they're easier to read and visually more prominent in your workspace. Let's start with the biggest option, heading. 1. This is perfect for main page titles or really important sections you want to highlight. To create a heading 1 block, place your cursor on a new line and type H1. You'll see an option for heading 1 appear in the Notion menu, and when you press enter, that line will instantly become a large, bold heading. This is usually the largest text style you'll use on a page. Next, if you want something slightly smaller but still clearly larger than normal text, you can use heading 2. This works well for main sections within a page. Again, go to a new line, type H2, and hit enter. The text you type in that block will now appear as a medium-sized heading, which helps you structure your content and keep things visually organized. For subsections or smaller categories, heading 3 is a great option. On a new line, type H3 and press enter. This gives you a small heading that's still larger and bolder than regular paragraph text, but not as dominant as heading 1 or heading 2. It's ideal for breaking down content into smaller, readable chunks without overwhelming the page. Now, if you prefer working quickly with your keyboard, Notion also supports a handy shortcut for all 3 heading sizes. Instead of using the / command, you can type 1, 2, or 3 hash symbols followed by a space. For a heading 1, type a single number and then press the spacebar. Your text instantly turns into the largest heading style. For a heading 2, type number followed by a space, and for a heading 3, type number followed by a space. After the space, just start typing your heading text, and it will automatically use the appropriate size. Using these heading styles not only increases font size for specific lines, but also makes your Notion pages clearer, more organized, and much easier to scan. Try mixing heading 1 for page titles, heading 2 for main sections, and heading 3 for subsections to create a clean visual hierarchy throughout your workspace.